Hi everyone, it's Eddie here, Eddie Makes Art, and today I'm bringing you a new product that I just got from Hippie Crafter. There's actually two products. First is a set of watercolor pencils. There are 72 premium colors in this little case, and they come in this awesome little tin. Take that off. So I'm going to show you what's in the box, and then I'll talk about the paper and give it my my little review. Disclaimer, I am a self-taught artist, so I've never used certain materials. The only watercolor pencils I've used is a black one when I'm doing mixed media, like to put an edge around something, make it grungy. I've used a blue one, which was more for just trying out, and then I just never, continued with it. So this was my first real play with watercolor pencils. So, but I'm gonna be honest, and I will show you three things that I made that will hopefully inspire you to grab your colored pencils from Hippie Crafter and make your own. So let's see what's in the box. Okay, first of all, that's really cool. Peace sign. So there's a tin here, and I even swatched everything out on a piece of the watercolor paper from the pad. I just made a grid, evened it up, bada bing, bada boom. There you go. So, get all your yellows, your oranges, your peaches, your violets, your blues, different blues. And then you have your darker reds, your browns, your sepia, greens, grays, Van Dyke brown. The only thing I noticed is that there are a couple of pencils that are labeled one color, but when you try them out, they're a different color. So for example, Flesh Medium is number, well, I don't have the number, but that's the color. Now, to me, that's more of a cadmium orange. Now, look over here at the, where is it? Cadmium orange is right here. That's what it says on the pencil, but this is the color. And it's next to the three other flesh-toned pencils. So, my guess is there was a manufacturing error, but that's why it's important to swatch out your stuff, because then you can see, okay, that's not Flesh Medium, that's its name on the pencil, but I know looking at it and playing with it that it is a cadmium orange. So that's what I'm going to go with. It's in the cadmium orange family. Same here, it says orange yellow here, and this is definitely not orange yellow. This one's a ginger lemon and lemon yellow, which to me, this seems more like a golden yellow, and this is a lemon yellow here. So, but, I'm gonna put that to the side and focus on the actual colors. So what I did for swatching is I took the pencil and I drew a column here, just dry on dry. And then over here, I dipped the tip of the pencil into water to moisten it, and then I ran the pencil down this way. Then I took a brush and I took some water, some fresh water, and just went back and forth here so I could see how it dissolved, how the color moved, how the pigment moved, if it's strong or if it's light. So you can see that it is, it's a really nice color. They blend well. You'll notice where I was more aggressive with the marking, I didn't get as smooth of a wash. So, just keep that in mind, but you can use that to your, advantage doing different techniques, or if you want to add texture to something in your watercolor. Okay, so these are all the colors. Like I said, there's 72, and it comes with this little mini catalog of things that Hippie Crafter offers. And what they're offering to you today for watching this video, if you click on any of the affiliate links in the description box for their products, you will save 10%. And all you have to do is enter the code Hippie10. I believe it's Hippie10 or HippieFan10. But I'm going to put that all in the description box. So go there after the video, click on those links, and you will save 10%. So thank you, Hippie Crafter, for that. So this is 3 levels of pencil. So you got all these wonderful colors. Like I said, I swatched them out. I played a bunch with them yesterday, kind of, you know, doing this and that. I didn't create anything spectacular. I just wanted to see, get the feel for playing with the watercolor pencils as opposed to what I'm used to, which is the watercolor out of a tube or in a pan. So it was a new experience for me, but I've been enjoying it. Been learning how to, you know, how to darken color, how to, you know, use it as a wash, how to blend it nicely. And an important thing too, I think, is when you're using the watercolor pencils, as with any watercolor, is keep an eye on the control of your water. You know, with anything watercolor, too much water can make mud. Not enough water will give you streaks. So, you know, keep that in mind. Now, the other thing I was thinking is this would be a great place if you are wanting to create something and you got a small space. You can tape a piece of your watercolor paper here, you know, obviously smaller. And there's your, you know, your nice surface, and then just use your washi tape or painter's tape to keep it down in place. There you go. Now, this is their paper. So this watercolor paper is 9x12. It comes in a 2-pack, and it's a really good value. It's a heavyweight paper that is in a natural white, and you see it's 140 pound, 330 GSM. It's acid free, and it has a cold pressed surface, which means that it has a texture to it. And you can even see here in this illustration, or in the photo, the texture. Now, yeah, so you get 30 sheets, 9x12. I don't always use an entire piece. Oftentimes I'll cut it down to smaller sizes and then create just little, you know, little paintings. But let me show you what I made. And then after I talk about them, you can watch me make them. Okay, so first I made a flower. And this is using first I outlined with a Sharpie pen. I made the flower and the leaves and the stem. Then I came in with the pencil and different shades in the reds and the oranges, and created some darker areas, lighter areas, and then came in with the brush and water and just kind of washed it all around. Kind of focusing, going from light to dark, and giving it some movement, and then allowing some of it to come out and fill in the background here. And then I did the same thing with the leaves and the stem there. So that's an idea. Let me see, I have another one I did that I can show you. So this one is also done with a pen, Sharpie pen, and the pencils. And let's see if I find another one. I thought I had another one. Well, I guess that one is it. So, but yeah, you can use your Sharpie marker or your whatever, you know, permanent marker you have, or artist marker. Do a drawing, and then just use your pencil to fill it in, and then blend it with your brush. And then I just took some, because they're water soluble, obviously, I put a little water on my silicone mat and I rubbed the pencil in the tip, and then I created a wash, and then I was able to pick it up with the brush and just make some just cool flecks of color throughout. And then this one is made with stamps. These are foam stamps here. Okay, I'll put the link for these. These are from PM Artist Studio. And I used the permanent black ink, the archival black ink, stamped them out, and then filled in with pencil again, and then just went around with my brush and, you know, blended everything. And yeah, I think it's a really cool effect. So these are little things I can cut out and use on ephemera. I can use it on a journal page. I can make a little journal card out of this and come back in and fill in the background with, you know, other colors. But yeah, so use your stamps. But make sure it's a permanent ink, because I tried something with the distress ink, like the Tim Holtz, and those just, I don't like the effect that it gives, and it's very muddy. So I don't recommend that. However, if you know of a way to use it, to do it, and you make it work, then, you know, let me know. That'd be great. Now this was fun. This was just using the inside roll of washi tape. I ran out of this one, you know, finished up. So I just took the black ink and made dots, or made rings all around. And then I came in and I made a wash. I did the background, and then I penciled in each of the circles a little bit differently, but kind of with the same colors. And then washed those, or, you know, painted those with the water. And then I came in with some of my gold metallic watercolor, this stuff here, and made some accent pieces. And you see how I framed it out. So I got a nice little picture here that'll look good this way, or this way, or this way, or that way. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it over to Speedy Eddie, and he's going to show you how I made these three pieces. So you'll see that in full detail. What'd you think? I hope you enjoyed that. The little quick process of making these three cute prints or paintings. And I'd like to remind you that if you click the link to the Hippie Crafter store down below in the description box, you will save 10% on your first purchase using the code HIPPIE10, HIPPIE10, HIPPIE 10. That's the one. So like this word here and then the number 10. And you enter that in at checkout and gives you 10% off your purchase. And also I'll be including affiliate links through, if you shop through Amazon, and those will earn me a little bit commission, nothing much. But yeah, that's greatly appreciated if you use those affiliate links. So thank you so much. I'll be doing a couple of more of these reviews for Hippie Crafter products very soon. Let me know in the comments what you thought. Thank you so much. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. See you soon.